Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore HSA contributions using Lively or Optum records, full guide step by step clearly. To restore HSA contributions, start by gathering your Lively and Optum account records. Log into your Lively account. Navigate to the Contributions section. Review your contribution history for any discrepancies. Download or print this information for your records. Next, log into your Optum account. Access the HSA contribution details there as well. Compare the contributions listed on both platforms. Identify any missing or incorrect amounts. Prepare the necessary documentation to address these discrepancies. Contact Lively's customer support for assistance. Provide them with your findings from the comparison. Request guidance on how to restore the missing contributions. Follow their instructions carefully. If needed, escalate the issue to a supervisor. Keep records of all communications regarding your inquiry. Once corrections are confirmed, monitor your accounts for updates. Lastly, check your HSA contributions periodically moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.